In this video, we will learn what is security best practices for Datto RMM environment. Securing your Datto RMM environment is crucial for protecting sensitive data, preventing unauthorized access, and ensuring the overall security of your IT infrastructure. Here are the best practices to help you secure your Datto RMM environment. First is enforce strong user authentication. Multi-factor authentication enable MFA for all users accessing the Datto RMM environment. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide two or more forms of authentication. Strong password policies. Implement strong password policies including minimum length, complexity like uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and regular expiration or rotation of passwords. Next, implement role-based access control. Least privilege principle. Assign user roles and permissions based on the least privilege principle, giving users the minimum access necessary to perform their roles. Next, custom roles. Create custom roles in Datto RMM to define specific permissions and access levels. This allows for granular control over what users can access and manage within the environment. Access audits. Regularly review user roles and permission to ensure they align with current responsibilities. Revoke access for users who no longer require it. Secure data transmission and storage. Encryption in transit. Ensure that all data transmitted to and from the Datto RMM environment is encrypted using secure protocols like HTTPS and TLS. Encryption at rest. Confirm that sensitive data stored within the Datto RMM environment is encrypted at rest to protect against unauthorized access in case of a breach. Secure communication channels. Use secure communication methods for internal discussions related to sensitive information such as VPN or encrypted messaging platforms. Monitor and log activities. Activity logging enable logging for critical activities including user logins, permissions changes, device access, and patch deployments. This helps in tracking user actions and identifying unusual behaviors. Real-time monitoring. Use monitoring tools with Datto RMM to track system health, device performance, and security alerts. Configure notification for specific events such as failed login attempts or unauthorized access. Security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities, misconfiguration, and other security gaps in the environment. Implement incident response procedure. Incident response plan. Develop and maintain an incident response plan that outlines the steps to be taken in the event of security breach or other security-related incident. Backup and disaster recovery. Ensure that the backups are performed regularly and stored securely. Test backup rotation procedures to ensure data can be discovered or covered in the event of a disaster or ransomware attack. User permissions, access control, and encryption. User permissions. Datto RMM supports role-based access control, allowing you to define roles with specific permissions. This helps ensure users have the appropriate level of access based on the roles and responsibilities. Access control. Custom roles in Datto RMM enable you to tailor user access. You can assign permissions for specific features such as device management, patch deployment, and report generation. This granularity allows you to limit access to sensitive operations. Encryption. Datto RMM uses encryption to protect data during transmission and storage. It employs user protocols for data in transit such as HTTPS and TLS and encrypts sensitive data at rest to prevent unauthorized access.